everybody. Today I'm gonna go to Wicked, and this day I'm going to take you along with me, and I'm gonna do everything pink and green. So this morning I'm gonna make breakfast, and I also have my pink hoodie on. And then I'm also gonna take you along, of course, to the cinema. So I've added some kiwis because I was trying to stay in the same colors of the movie Wicked. So that's why green kiwi, and then strawberry yogurt, cranberries, matcha sticks, and matcha pancakes. That's, oh yeah, and the green tea, of course. So next is makeup and the outfit. And so this is the dress which I'll be wearing this night. Ta-da! And I've also noticed something when I was watching the trailer of Wicked, that Ariana Grande has a necklace, and by accident I exactly have the same necklace. The butterfly one. It's this butterfly. Hello, I'm gonna do a little makeup tutorial for Wicked because yeah, I already told you I'm gonna go to Wicked this evening with my sister, and yeah, so I'm gonna go with some blue eyeliner, and then I also did some white eyeliner to make it a bit fairy tale-ish like Anastasia, to use some pink eyeshadow. So I'm first gonna go in with Rosy. And then I'm gonna use Sunset to go on the top of my eyelids. And then I'm gonna use Pretty to make some pink glitters. And then I'm also gonna use some Little Mermaid mascara. And then to finish off, big lipstick, of course. Okay, so we went to a Japanese store, and I got sushi with flowers, fried sushi, onigiri with tuna, yakitori, poke, and this lychee drink.
Hierop houd ik om te weten in deze film, en het is zo uitzonderlijk mooi, maar ook leuk. Okay, so for lunch I'm gonna use red beets and some chickpeas.
those I'm gonna put into the blender and then with some pepper and salt. Then I'm also gonna add a little bit of goat cheese. Okay, so then when you've blended the red beet with the chickpeas and all the spices, then you get this hummus which you made yourself. Okay, and to stay into the theme, I'm gonna use this cheese, which is witch cheese. This is like with a little bit of magic, it says, to stay in the theme. So I'm gonna put the witch cheese on the wrap. Okay, so I've also made some additional salads, and this is my witch salad. So this is spinach and red beet, hazelnut, goat cheese, and blueberries. So, and these are my wraps, which I try to make beautiful. So yeah, I think it's clear that it's pink and green, and with witch cheese and eggs. But you can also take the No Fairy Tales wraps, which are red beet, and it's even more pink and green. So yeah, there you go. So I literally invented this on the spot. So I had goat cheese and hazelnuts and everything and blueberries because I had them. Now I have to try to taste them to check if they're actually good. Damn. Yeah. They're very good. I'm very surprised how I made it myself. Yeah. So make this recipe. Okay. Hello, welcome to the end of my video, and I'm going to wrap it off here. So on the end of the movie we also got a goodie bag, but I would expect more. But we got toothpaste. Okay, so we got toothpaste. Then we got chips, two flavors, but I already ate one. This zipper bag from, and I have Glinda because I chose the pink bag. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!